make chicken oven. I have here green pepper, tomato, garlic, ginger, onion, lemon juice, turmeric, salt, tomato paste, olive oil. Let's blend it to make sauce. Add kwa 80 spices. Add Maggi masala and chicken masala. Then I have here potato, kusa, and sweet potato. Half of our sauce, we will put it here. Then the remaining sauce, we will put our chicken. Let's mix. And our vegetables also, let's mix. Now let's prepare it. Let's put the vegetable first. Then our chicken. Let's put our sauce. Let's clean up first the messy sauce before covering it with foil. Now let's put in oven and cook for 1 hour. And after 1 hour, let's open the foil and cook until our chicken's color become golden brown. Now here it goes. Ta-da! Our chicken oven and ready to serve. And that's it. Thank you for watching.